It's Divine and Shaniya Adventures!
Wash, wash, wash your hands. Let's all get clean today. Wash your hands and hooray! Yum! Snack time! I'm gonna eat right now. Uh-oh. My hands are all dirty and yucky.
That's okay, sweetie. Before we eat, we wash our hands. My friend can show you how.
It's easy, plinksy, watch and see. Scrub, scrub, splash, splash, clean with me. W is for wet. Put your hands in the stream. A is for add the soap. Make it all foamy and clean. S is for scrub. Scrub, scrub. Count to 20 with me. H is for hooray. Rinse and dry. Now they're clean. Yippee! Wash, wash, wash your hands. Scrub, scrub, splash, splash. Wash your hands. Hooray! Look! I wet, I add soap, I scrub, scrub, and hooray! All clean. Now I can eat. My hands are clean.
Great job! Clean hands keep us healthy.
Spell it with me. W.A.S.H. That spells W.A.S.H. Always wash your hands. Subscribe so we can play again.
Bye, bye, bye. We had so much fun today. Bye, 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 bye. Come back and learn and play. We were brave, we were kind, we were smart in every way. Divine and Shaniya, see you the next day. Subscribe, subscribe so we can play with you. Divine and Shaniya, we love you, yes we do.